Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix the Xfinity router blinking blue. And it's really easy and simple, guys. So first things first, let's understand what this actually means. What does this blinking blue mean? So the blinking blue light indicates that your router is trying to connect to another device, like a modem or, a Bluetooth device. So how do you fix this? So you first start by restarting your router. So just unplug your Xfinity router from the power source. Wait about 30 seconds, then plug it back in, okay? Let the router reboot and check if the light turns solid white. And if you're actually pairing a device like a modem, you want to ensure the device is actually powered on and within range, okay? So basically what we're doing now is we're checking for pairing issues. So try pairing again by following the device's manual, and if needed, what you can do is you can restart the router, just reset it, locate the reset button, usually in the back of the router. You find it here at the bottom. Press and hold the button for about 30 seconds, and then you just want to wait for the router to reset and reconnect to your network. And then, of course, you want to go ahead and check your connections, ensure that all cables are securely plugged in, and you want to inspect for damaged cables or loose ports. And if the blinking blue light persists, guys, what you can do is you can call Xfinity support, or you can use the Xfinity app to troubleshoot further. Really that easy and simple, guys. So I hope this guide provided value to you. If it did, guys, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you in the next one.